Imagine waking up every day to a world where your tasks, your plans, and your dreams align effortlessly. A world where problems find solutions at the speed of thought. Where technology doesn't just simplify your life, it becomes your trusted companion, working hand in hand with you. This is not science fiction or a distant dream. This is now. We are living in the era of AI-powered personal assistants, a groundbreaking transformation that's redefining how we live, work, and thrive. These assistants are no longer confined to answering simple questions or setting basic reminders. They've grown beyond their original purpose, evolving into intelligent collaborators that enhance every aspect of our lives. They adapt, learn, and understand not just what we ask, but why we ask. Imagine having a partner who knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and helps you achieve your goals without missing a beat. Every interaction is an opportunity for these systems to learn and improve. Every command, every question, every task feeds their intelligence, making them better, faster, and more intuitive. And as they evolve, so do we. Imagine the time you save, the creativity you unlock, the barriers you overcome. These aren't just tools for efficiency, they're instruments of empowerment. They enable you to focus on the things that truly matter, your passions, your purpose, your potential. The integration of AI assistants is no longer confined to our personal devices. It's reshaping how we interact with the world around us. From homes that adapt to your lifestyle to cities that learn from your habits, this technology is creating a connected ecosystem where convenience meets innovation. But this revolution is more than just technological. It's deeply human. It's about breaking barriers, helping us connect, learn, and grow in ways we never imagined. It's about creating opportunities for everyone, regardless of age, skill, or background. These assistants are not just tools, they're partners. Partners in our quest to live fuller, more meaningful lives. The impact is profound, stretching far beyond convenience. It's about innovation driving inclusion. It's about solutions tailored to global challenges. It's about technology that empowers humanity to rise together. The possibilities are endless. The potential is boundless. And the best part, this is just the beginning. AI-powered personal assistants are not just shaping the future, they're shaping your future. They're here to guide you, support you, and elevate you. So, the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to embrace the change, unlock your potential, and step into a world where innovation meets inspiration? Join the movement. Take the leap. Welcome to the next generation of AI-powered personal assistants. Subscribe for more groundbreaking tech innovations. Your future begins today.